everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Limecrime Diamond Dews. These are liquid shadows. They are glittery and they have full X of glitter. Each one is a little different. Formula wise, most of them are relatively the same, but some of them are a bit more chunky and sheer. Like for instance, the shade Luster is a more sheer colored base but packs a punch with the glitter flecks in it. Gold Dust has like no base color, it's just full on opaque glitter, which is very pretty. Personally though, my favorite is Magnet, which is this very beautiful silver. The base is pigmented and the glitter is astounding, so I personally like them when they're like this. This formula personally reminds me more of the Stila Glitter and Glows because of the prominent base, but the other ones are still pretty as well. I think it just depends on the color. I only buy these if I really like the color because you need to work with these a bit more than the Stilas or just a simple glitter liner. Because lots of these have a sheer base, you're mainly working with a liquid glitter. So I definitely think that these are more so for those who know what they're doing with makeup. I would not use the applicator in this to apply them. What I use is I use a flat synthetic brush and I tap it in and blend it out as best as I can because I find that makes the color more opaque, blending it so it's not just like a stark color. And plus this wand is like just a bit big to be helping anyone. So yeah, personally I would use a synthetic brush with these. I have done many swatch videos on these shades, so I will link them down below if you want to see the differences and compare them. The holiday collection is currently on sale, so definitely go snatch them up before they're gone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.